Hi, I'm Manish Pol, founder director of Total Yoga. Over the last 13 years as a yoga teacher, it's been our endeavor to take yoga to the corporate space, to get yoga right into your desktop so you can do this through the day. If you're sitting for 8 hours a day, the body was never designed for that sort of thing. Hence, there are a lot of people with neck pains, back pains, the shoulders getting hunched, the eyes becoming weaker by looking at a laptop for that long, as well as focus concentration issues, migraines. So we're looking at a few stretches that you can do every 4 hours so that the body doesn't accumulate stress. Studies show that the average attention span of an adult is 32 seconds. This is ridiculous. If you really want to be good at what you do, you'll be able to do that if you're able to focus longer. A lot of these exercises and breathing will help you do better at your work while keeping away all the pains that accrue. Please practice these exercises regularly, on a daily basis rather, and write into us and tell us if it's helping you, and we'll be very encouraged if this is benefiting most of you.
Namaste, my name is Neetu. Today I will be teaching you yoga for desktop. We'll start with some stretches for the spine, for the neck. Same time we'll take care of eyes and pranayama. So we'll begin with an asana called Tadasana. You'll interlock your hand and begin to stretch. Pull it all the way up. Exhale, bring it down. Another 3 rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Next one will be neck rotation. Palm on your knees, rotate your neck. Breathe in, breathe out. Other way. Drop your head back. Exhale, press your chin. 3 to 4 times. Next will be further strengthening your neck. So you keep your same hand on your same side of your cheek. You'll be looking straight and slowly pushing. Bring it back. So this way you'll strengthen your neck muscles. Same you'll do to other side. Looking straight. Keep breathing. It's a resisting exercise for your neck and back. Same can be done this way also, dropping your ear to your shoulder blade, other side. Remember, your neck is a very sensitive area, and all the stress which through your thinking goes is always stresses your neck and shoulder area. Next we'll be doing for the shoulders. So you'll be sitting here, interlock your hand and stretch. Drop your head back. 3 to 4 breaths. Exhale, relax. Again, each stretch should be done 3 to 5 times. Next one will be called Ardha Gomukh Asana, which we'll be doing sitting. So you bring your right hand on the top, hold your elbow and pull it slightly behind your head. Take this hand from the down and lock your fingers. So remember, you need to lock here. If you can't reach till here, you can touch your fingers. So this is the position. And come back. Same you'll be doing with other side. So you'll bring your elbow back and lock it. Here. 3 to 4 breaths. And back. Now we are going to do some back stretches. So you can do sitting on the chair. Hold the handle with your opposite hand, other hand at the back, and turn around. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths. Same to other side. Hold the chair handle, move and turn. Come back. 3 to 5 rounds. Next will be standing, which will be backward and forward bend. Support your hip and look back as much your back allows you. Come back Exhale, drop your hands in the front. So you can feel the stretch on your hamstring also. Come back. Again, once more. Exhale. You can be here, but try to reach to your toes and back. Next one will be again part of back stretch. Hand on your waist, other hand at the back. Go sideways and stretch your both the hands. Breathe in, breathe out, other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Back. Again 2 to 3 times. Now we'll be doing some exercise for the eyes called Trata. We begin with bring your same hand in the front. Look at your tip of your thumb. Remember not to move your neck. And don't blink your eyes. Slowly bring it back. Keep breathing. Same you will do with other hand. Remember, neck doesn't move, only your eye. And slowly bring it back. Last one, we will be doing pranayam. Pranayam, for that, keep your spine stretched and sit comfortable, neck and shoulder relaxed. Close your eyes. It's called Sahaj Pranayam. Breathe in through your spine all the way up. Hold your breath for a second. Exhale. 5 to 10 rounds. Last round. Rub your palm. Take your palm warmth to your eyes. Namaste.
Hi, I'm Arpita. I'm the founder of Buttercups. I live a very hectic life thanks to being an entrepreneur. Have to be sitting for long hours, but I have to get up and go as quickly as needed. So with all of that, I have a lot of problems with my back. Yoga has helped tremendously, especially the desktop exercises that we've learned in easing out my back pain, keeping me fit. Also a lot of breathing, the breathing exercises that we learned have helped tremendously with me keeping calm during stressful situations because my life is quite stressful. On days when I don't do yoga, I feel like I might lose my fuse sometimes. So I guess yoga helps tremendously, and I have nothing but good things to say about yoga, especially total yoga. So I recommend it to everybody. Thank you.